Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at setting the column widths in inline input grids. By default, the system will determine the width of each column in an input grid dynamically based on its contents. You can control the size of columns manually for each column by going into that column from the grid menu in the User Interface Designer. The column sizing type property determines what method will be used to split the grid columns. By default, this option is set to auto, which divides the columns automatically based on the input content length. The pixel option allows setting a certain number of pixels by entering this value into the column sizing value box underneath. This means that the width of this column will always be set to this number of pixels even if you access the web application from a mobile device. This approach is not recommended if your application sees regular mobile usage. The percentage option will set the width of each column proportionally. Please make sure that the values entered into the column sizing value fields across all columns of an input grid add up to 100%. Otherwise, some columns may not scale correctly. Pressing the Reset Column Widths button will revert all column widths to auto. The Distribute Column Widths button will divide all columns equally by setting the column sizing type to percentage and giving the same ratio to each column. In our case, we have 4 columns. The system has just assigned 25% to each column.